We're trying to find the total for an 18-wheeler, and the formula there is based on the number of axles. But I don't know how many axles I have altogether. I do know that I have 18 wheels. And I know that, what's the total for 18 wheels? That has 2 wheels on its front axle, so 2 wheels plus, and 4 wheels on its additional axles. We'll let A be number of axles. If I solve this, I'm finding wheels. 4A equals 16. I'm sorry, axles. A equals 4. Well, the wheels up front, that's 1 axle I've got to count for. So it's 4 plus 1 is 5. By the way, axles can have like a wheel on each side, or they can have 2 wheels on each side for those 18-wheelers. So now I know I have a total of 5 axles. And so I'm going to plug that in 5 into this equation. Now, I do not like decimals. If you're a decimal person, leave it like it is. But I'm going to change it to fractions because I'm just more comfortable with fractions. And that's 5 minus 2. And that's 3 halves plus 1 half times 3. And that's 3 halves plus 3 halves. And that's going to be 6 halves, which is 3. So 3 is your total.